Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'd like to welcome you guys all to this audio-visual presentation of our Lions Leadership Program. Now, what is Lions? Lions is leaders in aspiring to become successful in the industry. I'm willing to contribute my knowledge and experience in this industry to share to the many so that people can get organized and people could know more about network marketing. Now, to introduce the 8 pitfalls of networking. Ipapaliwanag natin sa mga aka known as networking. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. The number one pitfall in networking is they don't take the business seriously. Hindi nila sineseryoso ang negosyo. Bakit? Kasi iniisip na small capital lang. Yung mga kaibigan at yung mga kamag-anak, tinitingnan yung company na napakaliit kasi is related to networking. Yun nga, tinitingnan nga. Doubts, nagdududa sila. Saan sila nagdududa? Kasi lack of knowledge eh. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung networking, kung paano ba mag-usap sa tao, kung paano magbenta ng products. Hindi nila, they don't know where to start. Takot sila ma-reject. Yung mga tao, sinasabi naman nila, hindi naman ako salesman. They don't like getting rejected. I mean, who likes getting rejected? Yung sa pagdududa, iniisip nila, if it's too good to be true, paminsan, it's a negative thing. Parang iniisip nga nila pagka negative, yung pa iniisip nila na positive thing eh. Now, ito lang ang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Dito sa negosyo nito, beware of dream stealers. Bakit dream stealers? Maraming kasing tao, pagpasok mo sa negosyo natin sa multi-level marketing, sasabihin sa'yo, huwag ka na mag-networking. Lokohan lang yan. Sa income mo dito sa negosyo natin is yung mga downlines mo. Kaya kailangan mo support yung mga downlines mo and you need to learn all the necessary stuff to make your network grow. You can influence your network positively or negatively. So lead by example. Again, pag nagdududa ka, you won't be able to influence your network positively. Kaya pag kunya nagdududa ka, yung mga downlines mo din magdududa din. Yung lahat ng tao na kausapin mo, magdududa din sa'yo. How could you convince somebody nga kung ikaw yourself contaminated and have HIV virus as well? Of course. Ganyan din ang duda. Parang virus lang ang duda tsaka yung mga takot-takot na yan. Okay, in this business, we don't need those kind of stuff, okay? Okay, if you're looking into getting a multi-level marketing, remember, take out your doubts. Number 3, in why people fails in network marketing. They don't invest time to master all the aspect of the business. Imagine mo, magne-negosyo ka, sabay, wala ka naman alam sa ginagawang may negosyo, edi syempre, kung tanga ka pa naman, talagang sigurado babaksak negosyo mo niyan. Know the industry. Study the people. Alam mo ba sa industry natin, I'm telling you, in the past 2 decades, ang dami generate ng millionaires than any other industry in the world. Kaya be proud of our industry. Read books about the industry. I read books regarding about the industry. I listen to audiobooks and I also read magazine about successful people in this industry. Learn everything about the company. Kung anong company pinasukan nyo, at pag-aralan nyo. Siyempre, negosyo nyo yan. So, gagawin nyo. Papag-aralan nyo yung products mo, kung kailan ba tinayo yung company nyo. Pag-aralan nyo lahat, pati sa ultimong compensation plan. Come on, this is your business. We're talking about serious money. Serious money means serious time then. And being serious to getting to know about everything in the business. Train people to learn. Teach under you to do the same thing. Yung nga mahirap paano nga lalaki ang network mo kung ikaw din mismo hindi mo nga din alam kung paano mag-present or hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga products nyo. Syempre talaga hindi ka makakabenta at hindi lalaki ang negosyo mo at hindi ka kikita po ganun. Become a better person. Of course, everyone needs to become a better person. Who wants to be with a person na hindi naman masaya kasama? Syempre, lahat ng tao gusto na nakasama yung mga tao na